We are so close. We are so close. Okay, hey friends, hey apes, hey investors, whoever you are, I'm glad you're here. Let's talk about AMC and what we've been seeing. So we've had a great week with AMC. Nothing crazy has happened this week, but it's pretty much held its ground, and that's big. Today was the worst day we've had, if you want to even call this the worst. With AMC opening up today, hit around a little over $51 and then falling to a $45 mark today, and we still have Friday to see what's going to happen here. But honestly, we were expecting today to be like a down slope because yesterday we had such a great day in the overall market, and today we just had massive sell-off. So we've seen this episode so many times, there was nothing here that was really surprising. But let me say something that I'm seeing a lot of people ask. They're like, why has this not happened yet? Why has this not broken over to $100, to $200, to $300, $500, to even maybe this $1,000 mark that we keep hearing about? Friends, what you're waiting for right now, you're waiting for the perfect storm to hit. You're waiting for lightning to strike twice right now, and it does strike twice quite a bit, and it's gonna happen again. Hedge funds are up against the wall. These puts that they have against AMC to fall apart, they're gonna fall apart, okay? This is going to happen. It's just a matter of when is this going to happen? So when you see these articles like it's already happened, you've already missed it, it's just negative news. It's just negative news. They said the same thing about GameStop. When GameStop hit a $300 mark, they said get out of there, run for the hills, do not go back into this. It's been holding that. It's been going up and down. People have still been making crazy amounts of money just off GameStop. And right now you're having to decipher what is real news and what is fake news with AMC. What's really been going on here and what is just made up articles by these analysts or just these people that are really just new to the game and they're just talking about what's going on right now. One thing we do know that is happening, that board members of AMC have been selling shares last week and this week, and they have sold even $4 million worth of shares even this week, on top of what they've already done even as of last week. But we're still standing strong here. We are still standing strong. Everyone just hold up, don't go anywhere. So guys, I want to look at something here with GameStop. When GameStop went from this $4 mark, I was buying GameStop when it was $4. I was buying it like it was candy because the reason I was buying it was because Michael Berry had bought it, and if Michael Berry buys something, I pay attention. So Michael Berry was buying GameStop, so I was buying GameStop, and that was the only reason I was buying GameStop. And then around the beginning of this year, we started to hear about this Reddit, this Wall Street Bets community come out. And then we slowly saw GameStop go up. I remember GameStop hit a $10, a $15, a $20, going into a $30 mark, and it stayed there for quite some time. It played around there for a little bit. And then we all know what happened next. But what I'm trying to say is, with this AMC situation, you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait just a little bit here. The diamond hand, you've heard about the diamond hand. So the big picture, what we know. This is what we know. We know hedge funds in June and July are up against some big puts they have on AMC. So right now, there is a squeeze on a squeeze right now. We're seeing all these little squeezes take place for this one big, massive squeeze to happen. So you're literally just watching the building blocks happen right now, right in front of you. So when you go and you hear people say, this is over, it's already had its hype, just cash out and get out, head somewhere else. I would be very careful of that, especially right now. Yesterday we had a big day in the stock market, everything took effect from that, and today is a sell-off day. So tomorrow something could happen, especially into next week. Something could happen at the end of June, something could happen into July. Personally, you have to do what you want to do as your own investor. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a guy from the YouTube channel. I say this all the time just so you know, want you to know what's up. But if you think this is over, I would be very careful and hesitant of thinking that. Because like I said, one day you're just gonna wake up, it's gonna be all over the news, it's gonna be everywhere, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So friends, this is just my video encouraging people. I'm an investor in AMC. I know a lot of people here are investors in AMC, and I just want to use this as an encouragement. Don't think this is over. We've really only been in this big push for 14 days, if that. So don't get discouraged that we haven't seen $100. We haven't seen it break into 150 or anything more than that. And there's a lot of people on YouTube saying ridiculous claims, and I'm not even going to repeat what they're saying. But for it to hit $1,000, it's gonna have to see some sort of, you know, like the bloodbath situation is going to have to happen. And that's very possible. But do I think this is done? Not even close. I do not think this is close. I think we're just in the baby footsteps right now of what is really going to happen here, and we're just seeing little breadcrumbs of what's coming. So friends, with that said, remember, be positive, be you. I will talk to you very soon. I'm super excited about Friday and then going into next week and seeing what, you know, round 3 is going to bring here with AMC. So friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys.